So when first learning coding, it can be a bit difficult to get used to all of the new syntax and HTML and stuff. So I made this extension called Bootsnip, which is essentially a snippet buddy for Bootstrap, and it helps you essentially incorporate Bootstrap into your HTML really quick. So if you're starting off a new website and you want to populate it with the basic Bootstrap, all you have to do is press exclamation point and all of the stuff from Bootstrap pops up, and there's a brief description on the side. So if I put BS4, boom, it gets all of your Bootstrap, font awesome, and all the JavaScript stuff loaded in, so it saves you writing dozens of lines of code. Say you already have your HTML head and you wanted to just import Bootstrap into that. So if I were in my HTML head and I wanted to import Bootstrap, I'd just use BS4 CDN, and that gets the CDN line into Bootstrap. In your body, if you wanted to incorporate elements, you just type in card and that generates the basic Bootstrap for a card. The other important stuff I put in is something I found really useful when first learning web design is forms. So this automatically populates a form into your table, and this works with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Django, and React frameworks at the moment. Hopefully it'll be really useful to people learning web dev, and web dev is a really profitable industry, especially for beginners. So I hope that this at least saves your fingers some typing and is accessible to all learners.